Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center here in Yorba Linda, California. Hey, this is a cool upgrade. Any of these older Sprinter vans, I think this is a 2014. So they didn't have lithium batteries, most of them back then, and it's got a generator and air conditioning. So started having problems with the air conditioning running right. We upgraded it with a couple small lithium batteries, and he still wasn't happy. So we installed a new 12-volt air conditioning unit, pulled the 110 unit off that was running off of his inverter or his generator before, and we installed a new battery bank. We modified the lithium battery box, and we were able to get two 300 amp lithium batteries. So now we have 300 or 600 amp hours of lithium battery, and the air conditioner will run off the batteries, not through the inverter, not off of the generator. So much more efficient system. You're talking, 60% more efficient running the 12-volt air conditioning. So I'm sure he's gonna love it. And so if you've got any Sprinter vans, you need any general maintenance, service, wheel and tire upgrades, suspension lifts, paint, body, collision, interior upgrades, please come see us at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda.